License, Help and Guide. In the Settings menu, you can also check out your license and more about the Athena software, such as its versions, and easily access the Medical Hub website. In the Help and Guide section, you can access all of Athena's Hub documentation with instructions of every tool and software functionality. The online version of the document is divided by chapters to facilitate the search. You can also check out the PDF version, which does not depend on internet to be read. The videos tutorials can also be viewed inside the software, and you can choose between them with ease.